Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Kristen and I am thrilled about doing this Christmas in July collab with these awesome ladies. I am so excited to be collabing with this group of girls. I love them all. I love all of their channels. I thought this Christmas in July collab and this DIY was incredible and amazing. So exciting to do. So Courtney from Creative on the Cheap, she is the one who asked all of us to get together and do this collab. I love her channel. She does so many amazing DIYs and she does Dollar Tree DIYs. I love her channel. The next one that's going to be in this collab is Jennifer from Little Bit of Calm and Crazy. She does some amazing Dollar Tree DIYs. She does lots of Dollar Tree hauls. I love her channel. It's so easy to follow along with her through her DIYs, and she just comes up with some amazing stuff. The next lady is Yummy from the Latina Next Door. She does DIYs as well, but I've watched her videos and she's been doing some really awesome things with her home and redoing them and decorating and painting her kitchen cabinets, and she does all kinds of amazing decorating and DIY videos. And last but surely not least is Whitney from Whiskey and Wit. I love her name to her channel. It is amazing, but I love her. I love her simple, fun DIYs. She does Dollar Tree DIYs as well. We are just a big Dollar Tree DIY community. So anyways, I'm gonna show you guys what I came up with. I did a little bit of Dollar Tree, I did a little bit of thrifting, and I cannot wait to show you guys my finished products. I only paid like $2.10 for this little project, so I am excited to show you guys what I did with $2.10. Okay. This first Christmas DIY that sounds so funny, I'm going to be using this sled. I picked this up at a garage sale a few days ago and it was 10 cents. Yes, it was 10 cents. I couldn't believe it. It was in really good shape. It wasn't ruined or anything, but I thought I would just take the rope off, give it a nice coat of paint. I'm just using the Waverly chalk paint in white. This is an amazing primer and I only had to do 2 coats and I thought that that was good enough. So that was amazing and I am like really loving how it turned out, even if it was an all white sled. I just was so excited to do this.
Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah.
I'm also going to be using the Waverly chalk paint in Elephant. I'm going to be using this for the bottom and I'm just going to paint this whole thing gray. I'm not distressing it or anything. I'm just kind of leaving it as is, but I really like how this turned out.
Isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary.
And once the painting was all done, I did take a ruler and a black Sharpie and I'm just making some lines. I know this kind of looks like shiplap, but I really want it to look like an actual sled where they have the wood pieces in between. So that is the look that I was going for.
Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times.
I am a huge fan of the red trucks. I thought this free printable from Pinterest was super cute, and I'm just going to take some Mod Podge and Mod Podge it right to the sled. I will leave all these free printable links in the description box below so you guys can print these off as well now, later, around Christmas time, whenever you guys start your DIYs.
Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling.
And then obviously I'm using items I already had since it's not Christmas quite yet, but I got those little berry picks from Michael's probably quite a few years ago for pretty much nothing, and then the little bow came from Walmart, and I just decided to use the little green berries. I thought that looked really cute, and I just kind of put them on the sides with some hot glue and then the bow right on top. And then I got this gingham ribbon from the Dollar Tree recently, so I don't know if they just had it left in the back, but I loved that. I was super happy with the way the sled turned out. And then now I'm just going to take one of these wooden houses from the Dollar Tree and this Farm Fresh Christmas tree, free printable. Like I said, all those will be linked in the description box, and I'm just kind of measuring it out so I can cut it exactly how I want it. This one did not turn out how I wanted, so I had to actually move the free printable down a little bit so it fit into the house, which was okay, but I struggled with this one because the Farm Fresh words were so far up, but I managed, so that's why there's a little bit of gap right there so you can see the back side, but you don't once the top is put on. But I think this is such an easy DIY. It's super, super simple, and I just took Mod Podge and Mod Podged it right to the back. And then I just hot glued it back together.
And having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in.
And I almost decided to leave it how it was, but I wanted to give it a little bit of pop of color, so I'm using the Holly Branch acrylic paint, and then I'm just painting the top of, or like the edge of the wooden house, and I think that turned out so cute. And for this wooden house, I am doing the exact same thing. The backs pop off fairly easy, so it's not that hard, and I'm just taking Mod Podge with this free printable. I thought this one was super, super cute, and I love my farmhouse decor. So anyways, you guys, yeah, this one was so easy as well, and I'm going to take the Candy Apple acrylic paint and just paint around the trim of this wooden house, and that is it to these DIYs. This was so fun and so easy.
Heart, but this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the January. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance.
Alright, you guys, that is it for my Christmas in July DIYs. I hope you guys enjoyed them as much as I did making them. If you guys are coming over from the other ladies' channels, I would love if you consider sticking around and hitting that subscribe button. Also, if you are already subscribed to my channel, make sure you go to the other ladies' channels. I will leave their links in the description box below, along with a playlist of all of our Christmas in July videos. But you guys, that's it for the video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!